Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Donna and today I'll be making the best authentic real Jamaica Scotch bonnet pepper sauce. Yes, I say Jamaica Scotch bonnet pepper sauce. And here is the proof. These are the peppers. I brought them from Jamaica and I'll be using pure Jamaica Scotch bonnet in the sauce. So sit back, relax, and don't go anywhere because you don't want to miss out on all the ingredients and everything that I'll be using in the sauce. Look at that. Very, very thick. And the color, this is a Jamaica Scotch bonnet pepper sauce. What a beautiful set of Scotch bonnet peppers. I brought these peppers from Jamaica and I went in the farm and picked them myself. And I'm going to wash them now and take off the stem. Put them in the sink and give them a good wash. Take the stem out. I know I need my gloves in it. Let me give them a good wash. I'm going to put these in a container. I'm going to wash up the container. Without all the spoiled ones, anyway, spoil you dash it. I'm putting a spoil not to spoil the sauce, yeah? So here are the ingredients that I'll be using in my pepper sauce today. I use the chocho to give it body. I've got the onions, yeah, and they are organic onions, and these garlic are from my garden. And you will need a bit of lime for preservative. Yeah, I use the lime for, to add the flavor as well. So just the lime rind, just a little bit. You have to be careful with the lime. Don't use too much. I've got different color peppers. I've got green here, green, red, yellow. And I have here my leek. I like to put leek in my pepper sauce because it adds that nuttiness to the flavor of the sauce. And obviously you're going to need the vinegar to boil it because I boil or blend it, however you want to do yours. And salt to add to the thing. But be careful. Don't put too much. You don't want to slowly add because you don't want to. You can't take away. You understand what I'm saying to you? So, once you have your peppers all washed, all not de-seeded, de-stemmed, then, you go ahead and blend these out and then add it to the sauce. So let's go and start cooking our sauce. So once the peppers are de-stemmed, I add them to the pot with some vinegar. I'll add more vinegar to this, but I'm going to blend out the things together now and start adding it. And usually I slice the peppers, but I just put them in whole because I'll blend them out after. I tell you, the kitchen is full of flavor right now. The aroma, the heat of the sauce is knocking me back. I'm telling you. So now I'm going to be adding the blended peppers. So these are my sweet peppers. I'm adding those inside of it. And you notice that it's getting thicker now. See, now that I've added that, it's getting thicker. So we're going to allow that to just boil. And then soon I'll be blending it out. So we allow it to boil some more. Let it blend right out. Usually I slice the peppers, but I'm going to be using my hand blender to blend everything out. So I want the onions and everything to boil right out. It's thickening into a nice sauce at the moment. So now I'm mixing everything together. Remember, usually I'd cut the peppers up, but this time I'm a bit lazy. Just be careful because it will splatter on you. So when you're blending it, yeah. Look, see you get So my piccalilli is added. You can see the piccalilli adds that nice flavor to it because it's got the same kind of onions and everything inside of it. So you notice the color has changed now. So I'm going to blend this out. And remember that you can make it smooth or chunky, however you like, and also taste as you go along to ensure that you know, it comes to your required and desired taste. But yeah, I'm going to blend this out now, all the piccalilli, and then I'll add my mustard. And obviously, you know, everybody have their secret ingredients. So look, this is my pepper sauce all coming together. Look at the color. It's beautiful, isn't it? Yeah, this is Jamaica real Scotch bonnet pepper. I'm not joking. This is all the Jamaica Scotch bonnet pepper. Look at the color. You see the color? It's beautiful. It's lovely. And honestly, the taste is already, it is so, so, so nice. Right, so what you're looking at the moment, I've just started to blend it out. But I just want you to know that in my pepper sauce, I use the piccalilli, the sweet piccalilli. So this is what I use, sweet piccalilli. So I add that, and I will also add some mustard. So I'm going to carry on. This machine has two settings. It's got one for pulse and one for turbo. So it saves you, if you're doing a small amount, you know, just to use your, this is like a hand blender in a sense, but it's basically very powerful. So look at the texture of the pepper sauce. You see the color, the texture, and all I did was use this. And I'll just hold it at the careful when you're doing it. I'll just hold it at the corner and I'll go around, and I don't do any splashing, and I'll bring it around in the corner there. Bring it midway in. You see, midway in. Notice how it works. And any bits that it's picked up, you just knock that off. Oops. So there it is. That's my pepper sauce. Right, there you go. Look at the texture of the sauce. Very thick, not runny. Look at that. Very, very thick. And the color, this is a Jamaica Scotch bonnet pepper sauce. You see that? All the peppers came from Jamaica. I got these in the field. Thanks to my friend Donnie. I have to say big up to Donnie and all the farmers, Joseph and everybody that you know, helped me to have a great adventure in Jamaica. So I brought the peppers back, and see, this is the result of the pepper. Thick Jamaica real on the rocks. Jamaica on the rocks Scotch bonnet pepper sauce. You can't get better than that. Have a look. Let me go closer. Look, you see, and I've only used the Scotch bonnet because guess what? It's real. The smell, the taste is awesome. So this is how I eat my Scotch bonnet pepper sauce. I get a piece of cheese and I whop the sauce there, and that tells you the flavor. How nice it is. Once you eat this sauce, you really don't want it. It's good in everything.